Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and if you are once again using Firefox, another update. So this small update is not security, it's really a bug fix once again. So that update actually fixes a crash that some users are experiencing if you're using the Intel Gemini Lake CPU. So if it's a Gemini Lake CPU category or a family of CPUs, apparently Firefox crashing. So go into the upper right corner in the hamburger menu actually. Go down into help, make sure that you about Firefox and update. You'll be sent to 106.0.5. Once again, no security updates in here, really just bug fixes, which shows you that version 106 has been having quite a few little things and little problems here and there. They've been updating quite regularly since they've released that new version. I still get a lot of people that say they can't watch videos with Firefox, and especially since the last version, what was it, version 105 or 104 that had this fix because there was a video playback issue. Not sure exactly what's happening, as I played with mine actually. I've used Firefox for a few hours to see if I could see any or experience any glitches, including playing videos, because I know that that's the number one problem. I've had absolutely no problem here on my machine, so I'm kind of curious as to what could be the problem for those experiencing that issue. But I see a lot of comments of people having video playback on almost every browser, which I don't have, so I'm not sure exactly what to say, or is it some kind of setup or the way that you're set up more specifically, which could be the cause of the video playback issues. But here in my case, no browser has any issues with anything, including video playback, so I don't know exactly what's happening with that. So Firefox update 106.0.5, it's a bug fixing update for those that are on the Gemini Lake CPUs from Intel. Apparently fixes a crash there. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.